Did you know that 80% of people will experience back pain at some point? It's not just getting old, it's often a sign that your spine's internal shock absorbers are starving. Today, we're diving into why your back hurts and the specific nutrients you need to rebuild your spine from the inside out. Think of your lumbar discs as jelly donuts. The outside is a tough bready ring collagen, and the inside is a gooey center water. When we sit too long or lift wrong, we squeeze that jelly. If the donut gets dry or brittle, it cracks. That's a herniated disc. This is due to mechanical stress from posture and biological stress from dehydration and poor nutrition. Now, let's talk about the big three for spine repair. Nutrient number 1. Water, the inflation factor. Discs are 80% water. Dehydration leads to thinner discs and more pain. Nutrient number 2. Collagen and vitamin C, the structural duo. Vitamin C is the glue for the dough of our spinal donut. And nutrient number 3. Omega-3s, the internal ibuprofen. Fighting inflammation is the fastest way to reduce the sensation of pain. Now, for the spine superfood grocery list. Salmon and sardines provide vitamin D and omega-3 south. Bell peppers and kiwi offer a massive vitamin C hit. Leafy greens are packed with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K2. And bone broth or collagen are the raw building blocks. Here's the catch. Your discs don't have blood vessels. To get these nutrients into the disc, you have to move. It's called imbitation. Walking and gentle stretching pumps the nutrients into the spine like a sponge. Your spine is your literal support system. Start feeding it right. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and comment below. What's your go-to stretch for back pain?